Okay guys, meron tayong ano dito, buyer na Bombay. Yan si sir. Tinitingnan itong ano natin guys. Yung Honda Click B3 natin. If okay to sir, just leave it there.
Yeah, boy.
A buyer from Taguig, C5. The rain is coming guys.
Hindi totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
The buyer is test drive. Yeah. Yan, pinag-uusapan nila kung naiintindihan ba nila yung English ko o hindi. Na-nosebleed ako sa'yo, Bombay. Grabe ka. Tapos babratin mo lang ako. Aray ko. Yan guys, binabayaran na tayo ni Sir Bombay. Hi to my
Parang may naamoy ako hindi maganda.
followers. Yeah. Yan, bayaran na tayo. Binarat tayo guys, binarat. Yan guys, sold na yun atin kay my friend. My friend, thank you my friend ha. What the
Oh my God! Wow!
transaction?
Yeah, it's good.
For my motor. So okay, the papers original. Yeah. Sold na guys, kaya bossing yan. Sold na kay kumparing Bombay to. Brother, thank you brother ha. Trust me ha. Thank you.